Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get internet access in hotels where they do not give you Wi-Fi, they just give you wired access on a laptop that does not have an Ethernet port anymore. As you can see, no Ethernet port there, no Ethernet port in here, and obviously no Ethernet port on the back or front of this laptop. So this comes to our help. You might be wondering what this thing actually is. Well, as it says on the box, you can have a gigabit wired internet connection transformed into USB 3.0, which is awesome. And this thing seems to be foldable, so it occupies less space in your baggage or luggage. If you want to read some of the specs here, ta-da-da. The most important, plug and play. So should work on basically anything. So let's do the unboxing, although I don't think that is necessary. Or is it? This thing is glued. Why would you do that? So I think we will just go from the other side. Obviously this is from TP-Link. I don't even think it's necessary to say, as that can easily be seen on the package. Instructions manual. You plug it in, and on the other hand plug in the other cable. What do we have here? What is this tiny thing? I think it's some sort of warning. Yep. And here it tells us what the colors for the LEDs mean. If you need them, here they are. Anyway, don't really care about that. Come on, focus. Done. So this is the tiny thing that will be in my luggage wherever I travel from this point on, because I had the surprise that some places said they give you free Wi-Fi, but it was only in the lobby or restaurant or who knows where, and in the room you just had an old Ethernet port. This doesn't have one, and most teen laptops from today start to not have one. They just have a Type-C port on them or something like that. So let's get this out. Let me see, can I get it out like that? Yeah, I can. If you need the info on this thing, nothing interesting honestly in there. Yeah, nothing interesting. So this little puppy should do the trick. I can simply plug it into my USB not C, 3 point. What am I talking about? Sorry, brain stopped working for a moment. USB 3 port, and now I have, voila, wired internet access, which is awesome. And if you have a USB Type-C port, there are two variants. You can either get an adapter like this. It's an on-the-go adapter that can also be used on mobile phones. So with this thing you can even give internet to mobile phones. I will do a video showing that. It will be linked in the description of this one also. So you simply plug it in like this, and then plug this into the laptop or phone or tablet or whatever that has a USB Type-C port on it. Or maybe there are models like this one which are directly USB Type-C at the end. I don't know, I bought this one because it's easier to have it for everything with just a simple adapter like this if required. but for this model it goes simply like this. So let's power this thing on and connect it and see how it goes. Just did a speed test with my wireless connection right there, and now let's plug this thing in. Is it the right way? Nope, it was the wrong way. A bit hard to do it with one hand, and this plug probably is the first time it's seeing something. Yeah, be back in a second with one hand, or maybe with this hand. Yep, it worked. As you can see, the connection is on, and yeah, you need to have a cable like this with you also. Some hotels give it to you for free, but others you need to pay, so better have your own. It's safer like that. There are flat cables. You can see this one, for example, is a flat one. They are network flat cables, so you can get one of those with you. It takes less space. I will use this one. I don't want to buy another one. I have a ton of these ones. Yeah, bumped the camera, obviously, why not? So let's do another test. As you can see here, we are wired. Not really sure if you can see. Anyway, you recognize the sign for wired internet, and I think the speed should also tell us that we are wired, hopefully. If not, that's not funny. Yikes. So this particular port on my laptop is quite slow. Maybe it's not USB 3.0. Yep, maybe it's not USB 3.0. I'm thinking we are actually reaching the USB limit. Oh, let's search another port. Tried another port and I don't seem to be getting a better score. So this probably is a limitation from this old laptop. Old convertible, actually. It's a Lenovo Yoga. But I'm also going to test on my main PC, where I know I have USB 3.0 speeds, just so I can see what this thing can do, not what the ports on this thing can do. So I'll be back in a second. And we are reaching the same speeds. So I think this is actually the limitation from the device itself. Not really happy about it, but still think it's a good enough speed. Yeah. And this is what my data plan is actually capable of. So, yep, that was not a limitation for sure. So this little thingy, yeah, it's not the fastest thing in the world. It's good enough for when you need internet at a hotel or Airbnb or whatever that doesn't actually have Wi-Fi. It only provides you with a port like this. But it seems on my case, the Wi-Fi in this thing is actually faster than wired internet. But where I go, I do need this for sure. So this has been it for this video. Hopefully it helps you. In which case, please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye! Or you can actually get a router and bring that with you. And if their network allows it, you can configure this thing to have Wi-Fi on all of your devices. So it's up to you. This is a bit bigger, just a tiny bit, but there are really small ones, so yeah, up to you. But again, with this, their network might not allow you to use it, so the other solution will work for sure, as you would have a dedicated port on your laptop. And bye.